Okay guys, now we're gonna do the Camaro. Just find a good spot over here. Probably is good. I can just go from here and the top. Alright, so lift this one here. Maybe later we can make something in 3D to hold this guy. This sound like the suction cup, but for hold your palm system. Okay, that one is $9, so it's really inexpensive. First, what I have to do is make sure I don't have the foam or sealant between here, because I'm not going to remove the molding. It's a rivet. Just I want to make sure this is clean. Alright, and now what we're going to do is insert the line from here, so it's more easier this way. Alright, so we got the first in. Okay, but it's going to be a double loop right there. Probably with that's enough. Now make sure this guy is in. Yeah, I hate these guys when they get it like squeezy stuff in there. So now we're gonna do the double loop. Okay, make sure we got this guy in the right spot. Outside is better when it's inside here. It's too dark. And now we're doing the same thing again. Insert this line. Just put this one behind the molding right there. And now let's go and put the second line to do the double loop. And this is the molding is still in place. You want to take it off, do it, but sometimes in the body shops when you do it, if something happened, they're gonna say, they're gonna blame you, say you did it. So that's why I don't want to do it. If the guy is here, I can show him I'm doing, but he's not here. I'm not taking the risk. Okay. Alright. There you go. So make sure the line is in the right spot and not getting encapsulated. So behind the molding. But sometimes you can catch one part you don't want. Okay. Right there. Now my drill. Where's my drill? Okay. Over here. Make sure you are not catching the encapsulated. There you go. Alright. Now remember, pulling a little bit from here. You see how strong is this $9 pump? I'm doing this because I don't want this guy go and touch this part of the body. Okay, that's why I'm pulling this way. And I'm using my arm to hold the glass, that's why. Oh, I think it's loosened. I didn't tighten enough. Oh, sorry. I always forget this the other side. And as you see, nothing is damaged. It's completely safe. Okay guys, so we pulled 2 quarter glasses today, Camaro, put it across using a $9 pump. You want to spend some money in 65, 53 from any brand, you can, but I don't like too much selective stuff because sometimes they have a problems to replace. You gotta buy the whole thing. But you want to build your own pump, you can, or you can buy this one $9. So it's another styles and prices. This one make the job. Okay guys, thank you so much and see you next time with more work. Appreciate it. Thank you.